Whoa, whoa, whoa! We've got games to play. We've got friendships to make. We've got cakes to bake. Cupcakes and candy. All this and more with 3 friends in a bakery. Roxy, caramel, and candy. Woohoo! Roxy, caramel, and candy. Yeah, yeah! Roxy, caramel, and candy. Woohoo! Roxy, caramel, and candy. Yeah, yeah! We laugh, we play, we bake, we laugh, we play, we bake, we laugh, we giggle, we love, we play, we bake, we laugh. All this and more with 3 friends in a bakery.
Hey, Roxy!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, hi, Caramel. Sorry, I didn't even see you come in.
Are you alright?
Oh yeah, kind of. You see, I'm just trying to figure out this design for the cake I'm planning for the big bake-off.
Can I see it?
No, I mean, not yet. Let me put the finishing touches on it. I just want to get the perfect color and taste.
Okie dokie. I'll just wait for Candy. She should be on her way.
Oaksy doksies. Hey, you don't want to order anything?
No, not right now. Let's wait and see what your cake design looks like. Then we can plan something over a yummy soda pop.
Alrighty, I'm right here if you need anything.
I'm just gonna go sit there, wait for Candy.
Hi, Candy. What's up? Hi. Oh, just the usual. Would you believe B-Bay shipped the wrong order for me again? I am so upset. Okay. Caramel is waiting for you right there. Hey, girl. What's going on? What happened to your face, Caramel? OMG.
Oh, is it really that bad? I got hooked onto Candy Crush. I had extra time, you see. So I got no sleep last night.
Whoa, again? By the time I get extra time, I'm so tired, I just fall asleep.
That's adorbs. Candy, help me out here. Let's play.
Soda.
Ah, look at Miss Soda Octopus. She is fizzling. Look at green fuzzy bubble ball popped all the green candies.
Yay!
So delicious. Rainbow disco ball. Score.
So delicious.
And we popped soda bottles too.
Juicy.
I want to go for red right away.
Juicy.
Only 3 bottles to pop. It's time to sing a song together.
Soda pop, 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 in soda bottle, soda pop, in soda bottle, soda pop, pop, in soda bottle, soda pop, 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 pop.
Love these purple candies. Look so yummy.
Ooh, look, a blue fishy and a purple one too.
6 bottles, 7, almost there. Go, fishies, go! Get the last bottle, quick!
I got them all! Yay!
Soda Crush.
Ahem!
Don't you mean we got them all?
Of course! We got him! We got him all good, Candy! It's time to sing a song together! If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. See you later.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.